All right, people. So here's the situation. Um, so you see that tree over there? It's like a blueberry tree or something. There's like a black fruit that keep falling, and since this RAV4 is a white, it's just getting stains all over the place. I cleaned it a little bit earlier because I couldn't go out with it's being like dirty like that. So what I'm gonna do basically, I have this. I haven't used this for a while, so I'm gonna literally cover the car with it because I don't want to get stained up. It's messing up with my ratchet because every morning I get up and the car is like super dirty, and I just can't deal with it. So I'm gonna try to put this on and see if I can save it from the stains at least. And all the birds poop, that is so bad. I don't want to deal with the no birds poop. So I'm gonna try to put it on, see if that helps. It should help because instead of the car taking all that, this will be taking all that. It's gonna be. So this one goes in the back. It says which one is the back, and so I'm gonna try my best to put it on. I'm not sure if you guys can see me properly, but I mean the fruit I was dealing with the fruit just fine. The falling on the car, even though it was leaving stains, but the bird's waste is a different thing. It smells bad if you so I don't want to deal with that. So you should do the job, not getting all the stains from that fruit. Because I don't want to get the stains. It's a white car, it gets dirty so fast. So it'll work. As long as I don't get any bird poops on it, I should be good. So there you go, just covered every everywhere with it. So if birds decide to sit on that tree, eat all that fruit, and poop where they eat, they can do it. I'll just have to wash this after some times.